Welcome back to another Vlogmas vlog. I'm up, getting ready to go back to the Houston concierge little center thing that I went to go get my RMR test to figure out like the calories my body burns. Now I'm going back to get a Dexa Scan, so to figure out my body fat percentage, muscle mass, all of that. These numbers I'm not going to share because I'm working on something. Okay. So you don't need to know my body fat and all of that. Yeah, let's go. Ready to pull my hair out the way?
Have you ever been treated for lupus or arthritis?
No.
And you've heard of your center. Put your arms on the other side like this. If you want to move a couple inches down towards that wall, just make sure it isn't.
All right, the test is done, and I'm gonna be back in 12 weeks to get another test. So if you don't know what a Dexa Scan is, it tests your body fat. Like, it'll show you like your whole skeleton. It'll show your bone mass, it'll show your lean muscle mass, and also your fat mass. So the whole 170 pounds, 80 pounds, however much you weigh, it'll show where that weight is distributed. But I'm headed home now. I'm starving. I need to eat something. I'm gonna get the first Vlogmas video up, and then we're gonna go to the gym. All dressed, ready for the gym. Video is up. Hitting upper body today, so should be a long one. Water, I need the energy today, so I'm taking some pre-workout. See y'all at the gym.
Wave. It's gross. Yeah. Wave. Physics. Yeah. It's sweet.
Okay, workout done. I'll shower and clean. Now I want to take a photo in this new little lici set I just got. It's so cute. I'm just gonna get kind of ready. Not really like done, but a little foundation, a little blush, eyebrows, and call it a day. And we're gonna go see the Beyonce movie. They now offer seamless. They didn't have seamless before. And here she is. It got just like a small little scrunch on the booty, like not too much. Cute. And then they got this halter top. So back all out. And then you see lici across the bottom. So I want to take a photo on this because I haven't taken like a fitness photo in a while. Actually, I think I'm just gonna take it in the apartment, just like a little lounge situation. But let me put her on. Top does come with pads. Any sports bra I get, I remove the pads. They're there if you need them. But I don't mind a little nipple moment. Back. I think I'm gonna just go with like the Huda Beauty foundation. It's not like super heavy. Deep tan or tan. I think I'm a tan. Not. I can use a little bit more color. Need a vacation or something. By the way, we love Huda. Okay, we love Huda. If you don't shop Huda Beauty already, you should be. Especially she's been so vocal about what's going on in Palestine and everything. So, you know, there's just brands we just don't support anymore. Going to lay these baby hairs. I have a hard time wearing it just down like this, just because I like big hair and I just feel so flat, you know? It just looks flat to me. So that's why I'd be wearing it up. Ooh, we can do something like that. Just 2 little clips in the back or 2. Right, photo is done. I hope I got the shot. But anyways, we're getting ready to go to a Target pickup because I'm shooting a little self-care video for you guys. And so there was just a couple more things that I needed to re-up on. And then we're gonna go see Beyonce. I'll see you guys later.
10 seconds for prop lift. Box set, clear for flight.
Have a great show, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Mastermind and whole control, label horse can't clock them so obscure.
I'm back. It's much later in the day, but I just got a craving for lumpia. I haven't made lumpia in like a year. And so that's what I'm going to do. Of course, I'll put the ingredients down below. Let's make some lumpia. There are ways to do it to make it a little bit healthier. I am going to use ground pork, which is usually lumpia is made with ground pork, but you can absolutely use ground turkey. You can use a lean ground beef. You can use ground chicken. Also, I don't deep fry mine because you usually deep fry lumpia, I put them in the air fryer so it doesn't have all like the extra oils and stuff. That's how I make it. Let's see these wrappers, because oh, these are massive. It's time to wrap the lumpia. I let it sit because you need it to cool off a little bit. You don't want to start wrapping them while it's hot. Now, these aren't the typical wrappers I get. I usually go to Rouse or a Safeway, which I don't have out here near me. So I just have HEB. And these ones are much thinner than the ones I usually get. Oh, wait, this is double. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so these ones, let me show you how thin. They're super, super thin. Like you can see through it, and the ones that I get are not. And so those ones I'll usually cut in half. So this one I'm not gonna do that. I'm actually just gonna fold it. It's been a while. How do I do this? Let me do one, because I can't remember. Okay, I guess that'll work. And then you got your little egg bath here. You put it on. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with this a little bit, cause okay. That is not this. No, that is not it. I'm gonna fix that in a little bit. Let's try this again. Do I just do it in the bam bam? Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again. Oh, I think I put it on the wrong side, that's why. Yes, I put it on the wrong side. You want it on the straight side, not the pointed side. You just close it over there. Close it like that. And now we roll. There we go. I got it. Get our little egg bath to seal it off. There we go. I got it. I don't know what the heck. Look at this. Look, I don't know what I was doing.
Physics. Yeah. Woo. It's sweet.
Right, lumpia is done. These wrappers are just not my cup of tea. But anyways, let's try them out. I got the Thai sweet chili sauce. You gotta have lumpia with sweet chili sauce. And then I also made my little sleepy bedtime drink, which is just the poppy, it's poppy, tart cherry juice, and I put some lemon juice in there. And then I'm gonna take my magnesium, and I'm also gonna take my berberine before I have this. So we do that right now. Feel it. Let's try it. This one is super tangy. Not usually the sweet chili sauce I buy. This one is super tangy. We like the sweet one. So good. All right. I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna read for the rest of the night. And then we'll be back at it tomorrow. So that's gonna be the end of Vlogmas Day 2. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in a couple days.